Wisdom comes from experience, and experience takes time, and well, yeah, that pretty much seems like algebra, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the Motovlog, and welcome back to the channel. And I think I did that out of order, but welcome back to another beautiful day here in Atlanta. Today I want to talk to you guys about something that has been on my mind quite a lot recently, and it's a little bit more serious than my normal talks with me, myself, and I, and you guys. But I want to talk about the question, you know, at what age should you have it all together, or pretty much all figured out? I feel like mostly younger people feel that they don't have it all figured out and wonder what's wrong with them because they just don't have it all together and feel more lost than pretty much a hen in an egg-sized hailstorm. Well, my answer, I guess, would be, of course, you don't have to have it all figured out. I definitely don't, and really furthermore, I don't think you're supposed to have it all figured out. Anyone who thinks you should have it all figured out by 26 or 27 or 28 years old is pretty much simply a fool, in my opinion. Knowledge and experience and wisdom, I feel like, take time. Wisdom comes from experience, and experience takes time, and well, yeah, that pretty much seems like algebra, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Right? Okay, good. So now I get that this can be frustrating as trying to fold a fitted sheet, and pretty much impossible and highly infuriating, but you'll get there, trust me. Well, don't trust me, I haven't gotten there yet, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, I feel like we're told by society, and it's kind of inferred through media, that by the time we're 26 to 30 you should have a degree or a good job and a wife or a husband or whatever it is that suits your fancy. But it's more like trying to have a degree by 25, having an existential crisis by 26, and living back at home with your parents by the time you're 30. You know, get the job, put your childhood bully in place, get the spouse or a family, fade to black sort of story tales are not just most people's reality, yet we're led to believe that by, you know, media and by movies and all that other sort of stuff, and saying like, man, they have it together, but in reality they probably really don't in real life. I mean, I guess think of it like a pine tree. They grow very quickly, while oak trees grow and mature very slowly. But which one lasts longer? Which one's stronger? Which one shelters more life, you know? Which one is more valuable at the end of its living life on Earth? I mean, nobody in their right mind goes out into a furniture store and spends top dollar on some pine furniture. All they want is the hard oak furniture that will last and stand the test of time. So be an oak tree. Pretty much the point here being, stop being so freaking hard on yourself. If you're 27, act 27. Stop acting like you're 50. It's not expected, and it's not a burden that you're really supposed to be carrying. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't just need to, I guess what I'm trying to say is, you need to learn to love the process of figuring things out, which takes time. And you'll not get there if you quit and just say, hey, screw it, or forget it. So the whole point of this video is to encourage you to just chill out. You have to remember that when something is god-awful happening, or when something god-awful happens to you, I guess it's kind of like when a child falls when they're learning to walk and they start crying. It very much could be the worst thing that's ever happened to them or to you in this situation. And it seems like a disaster of apocalyptic proportions, but it's really because that's all that you have ever known, or pretty much all that that child's ever known. So maybe you've lost your job or gone through a breakup, and it's a disaster of apocalyptic proportions because you've not had the time or experience to develop the perspectives to see things that could be worse, and to turn around and look at that in relation to the realities of an extraordinary life well lived, when you'll be able to look back and understand that you know, it really wasn't that much of a disaster, that it could be the best thing that ever happened to you, and it could have been a lot worse. So, long story short, just chill. Continue to have fun, be your age, and embrace the process, right? Alright, good. Glad we're on the same page. Anyways, that's pretty much all I have to say about that. Hope this means something to you, and if it does, go ahead and drop a like or a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!